everyone, this is Teju on the product marketing team here at Axonius. I wanted to give you guys a demo on how our Axonius AI agent can help identify shadow AI that may exist in the environment. Let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm in my Axonius AI agent here, and I'm going to go ahead and ask it which AI desktop apps are in my environment, on which devices, which users own those devices, and when was that AI desktop app last access on each of these devices. Let's go ahead and see what it can tell me. We can see here that the agent is starting to piece things together. It's going to plan out its route to understand what's in my environment. So it's searching for AI desktop apps in the environment, linking each of those apps to the specific devices and users, and also identifying those last access timestamps that I asked for. And from there, okay, sweet, we can see that we have this AI desktop apps inventory. So it's telling me that across the board, I have a number of different devices with AI desktop apps, looks like 483 devices total. And when I take a look at this list, I can see that there's a combination of Claude, ChatGPT, and a couple of others installed in this environment as well. Now, the great thing about the agent is that in addition to giving me the answer to my prompt, it's also telling me a little bit more about the key findings that I may not have explicitly asked for. So here it's telling me that Claude is by far the most prevalent. ChatGPT, it has multiple versions present. We have a couple of other apps installed in this environment as well. Now, I mentioned at the beginning that I really want to understand shadow AI in this environment. So I'm going to take this one step further and ask the Axonius AI agent. I want to know who's accessing desktop AI apps out, including Claude Enterprise, outside of Okta SSO in my environment. All right, with that next step, let's see what the agent can tell us. Just like before, it's going to go through its thinking process to deeply understand what's in the environment. And from here, okay, perfect. It tells me everything that I really need to know, which is that I have 500 users with Claude on their device, but look at this number. Claude on device with no Claude Enterprise in Okta, 112 users, so I definitely want to look into those. And in addition to that, it's also telling me all of these users that are using AI desktop apps that are not in my environment at all, or not connected to Okta SSO at all. That's ChatGPT and a couple of others. So again, those are more users that I want to look into. The great thing about the agent is that it pretty much knows what I want to do next. I'm obviously going to want to look deeper into those users and their devices that are accessing AI outside of my SSO solution, and it's prompting me to do so. So that's just one of many, many use cases that you can run with the Axonius AI agent. If you're interested in trying it out for yourself, let us know. Thanks for watching, everyone.